We have a snowstorm slash ice storm moving through parts of the Northeast and parts of the Ohio Valley right now. That is going to be causing icy roads, a lot of snow, and more. So let's jump straight into it. So do you live inside of any of these highlighted areas? Like, do you live inside of any of this blue? If you do, then that means you're going to be impacted by a snowstorm either right now or later today. So let's take a look at it. So if we go onto our radar, this is what our snowstorm slash ice storm looks like right now. So we have an ice storm warning currently in place for parts of Pennsylvania right now, which is in western Pennsylvania. We have an ice storm warning out here. And this is what our snowstorm is looking like right now. It's right here. It's causing some ice even over here in parts of Canada. There's going to be some slick spots. If you're in western Pennsylvania, pretty much anywhere that's going to be impacted by this snowstorm is going to be seeing icy roads, including up here, parts of up here. You guys just got to be looking at the roads and make sure to be slowing it down a lot. Because when I say icy roads, they're really icy. Mainly down here if you're in the circle. There's going to be some icy roads in a lot of places within that circle. Some places will be okay and some places won't. There's going to be a little bit of rain that will come off of the storm back here. It'll be pretty cold rain as well as some rain. But yeah, there's going to be a lot of freezing rain and sleet and stuff. But the main places that will get snow will mainly be over here. So you got a winter storm warning out for this area, including New York. So New York will be seeing some snow. And yeah, this snowstorm is moving this way. We do have a mesoscale discussion out here for freezing rain. That's this little blue circle right there, over there in parts of western Pennsylvania. That's what that blue circle is for. So let's check out the future radar. So this is what it looks like right now, 12 p.m. where I live. And then you can see if we fast forward it, it will look like at 4 p.m. today. Most of the ice will be inside of western Pennsylvania, freezing rain and stuff like that. You can really see all of that rain that is going to develop off of the storm in Ohio. So Ohio will be seeing some rain off of the storm, but the rain will mainly start through 2 p.m. And then through 6 p.m. in some places, off and on rain maybe. And then the snowstorm will eventually go through New York and stuff, cause some snow in New York, as well as Massachusetts, Rhode Island, Connecticut, New Hampshire will be seeing some snow with this snowstorm as well. But this is just what the snowstorm is going to be doing. So yeah, there's going to be slick spots and stuff. So just make sure to be aware for icy roads if you're out there. We also are seeing some dense fog out here as well. So just make sure to keep that in mind. In some places over here, we are going to be seeing some dense fog. But that will go away, and then we won't have to worry about that as we get more into the afternoon. And then this is our total snowfall radar. So this is where all the snow is expected. Looks like if you're in Pennsylvania, you guys probably will be seeing freezing rain more than snow, but see at least up to 1 inch of snow if you live in parts of northern Pennsylvania. But the biggest places will probably be south of Albany and parts of New York. But a lot of New York, you can see possibly up to 15 inches if you're in some of these spots in parts of New York. But New York City looks like you guys could be seeing like up to looks like 5 inches of snow. I would say 3 to 5 inches of snow possible in New York. Up here towards Michigan shouldn't be getting too much snow. If you're up here in Alpena, maybe just 1 inch of snow. But yeah, there's going to be most of the snow is going to be in parts of New York. Then this is our total freezing rain. You can see that there's going to be a lot of rain down here. Freezing rain down here in western Pennsylvania. So that's where most of the freezing rain is going to be over here. So yeah. After this snowstorm passes through today, we are going to be seeing another thing develop, it seems like. You can see that we're just going to get some rain to start, rain and snow start mixing. Well, not really mixing, but like starting to strengthen together. See, this is what it looks like on December 28th, 2025. We got some rain over here, got a line of snow over here. And then look what comes together rapidly. This is what it looks like on the 28th at night. You see that we have a line of storms. It looks like a squall line. And then we got some snow up here and some sleet. And look at all that rain. So we are going to be seeing a possible severe weather threat down here. Mainly if you're in any of these areas. Because we are going to be seeing a line of storms possibly. And some isolated severe wind gusts. This is mainly going to be for the 28th of December. But it's just going to be the main concern is probably just going to be severe damaging winds. But I wouldn't rule out a tornado threat. So yeah, there is going to be a tornado threat because we can't rule out a tornado threat. So make sure to be aware for severe weather. But I don't think it will be crazy at all. Up here is going to be where the snow is going to be. And then the snow is just going to move across the Great Lakes region and possibly cause some lake effect snow as we go through New Year's. So make sure to watch out for lake effect snow around New Year's. This thing can also cause slick spots too. And this whole thing is just for the 28th. And into the 29th, so make sure to be aware for that. There is going to be a small flood threat over here for parts of Los Angeles and Sacramento, between Sacramento and Bakersfield today. But the flood threats are going down, so that is good. So hopefully everybody is okay over here. And yeah, thank you guys for watching Electric Tornado, and I will see you guys in the next weather update video. Make sure to stay tuned, and bye.